Crystal Thompson here for Pink and Maine. Today we are creating with the May 2019 release. We are using the gorgeous Bundle of Joy, and I have pre-stamped, die cut with the Bundle of Joy dies and colored my images. This is a watercolored image with some of the Zig markers. We're also going to be using the Back to Basics. This is also a May 2019 release, so I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial. We're going to set those aside and let me show you what I've got. So I have one of the yellows from the Back to Basics, and then I have a piece of cardstock. So what we're going to do, we have trimmed it so it fits right in the center with a little bit of this popping out. What we're going to do is, let me show you. I'm going to put this sideways because it's a lot easier to be able to show you. We're going to hold it down and we're going to create a torn edge. This is Nina 110 pound. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult to tear than your typical printer paper or whatever you might be using. However, it makes a really nice thick edge. All right, we are going to begin by assembling this card. I'm going to place some Tombow mono adhesive, any permanent adhesive that you have in your craft room. We're going to grab this and center it at the best of your abilities. Then we are going to place our baby. So this little guy is my little ginger baby. We're going to add the bottle, and I have placed foam adhesive on the back of this. And when I was coloring these images, I really tried to keep in mind what colors would go well with this pattern paper. So isn't this fun? You're using the Back to Basics cardstock. However, you are totally able to make a sweet baby card. All right, before we move on, I'm going to do a quick masking. We're going to grab our yellow Daffodil Delight ink pad. This is from Stampin' Up. I'm going to grab my water brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of color, put it on the lid, add water, and splatter over the white. And the reason for this is just going to give it a little bit of dimension, a little bit of color coordination between the pattern paper and this white cardstock. You can splatter before you place your baby on it, but it just makes it really nice and really clean. I have a strip of yellow cardstock, and I want it to be really, really bright. So we're going to grab that. I have my intense black ink, and for the sentiment, we're going to be using the Congrats. We're going to grab that off the acrylic of the stamp set, put it on our acrylic block, make sure it's straight, and then we're going to stamp this with black. You can also heat emboss with white, and then I'm going to rock that back and forth just a little bit, and now you have a really nice image. We're going to go ahead and grab some foam adhesive, and so what I like to do is I'm going to place a foam where we're going to put the strip, remove the backing, and then add the strip. Flip it around, grab your scissors, and cut off any excess that might occur. And that does it. Thank you so much for joining me today on this quick tutorial using the gorgeous Bundle of Joy stamps, dies, and the Back to Basics. So a basic stamp pad for a baby card. Thank you so much. Have a great day.